Hello, guys. Today, I'm an Animal Jam. Okay, let me try to fill 94. I'm okay. I'll be go find Momo. Connect. The sand. I call her Bobs. Say it. Turn my fan off. I was having a hard time taking my fan off. Okay, let's get started. I'm having a fever day. Let me tell her I'm making the video. Okay. Okay, let me go to my other friend. It's like 7:50. Like he's innocent. On an adventure. Okay. Okay, let's find Pinky Doo. Pinky Doo. Wow. I'm so embarrassed, Jack. This is my new outfit. I'll do an inventory later, but yeah. I don't really have that much rares, but subscribe, comment, like, dislike. If I get less likes, that means... Ooh, Big Momo's in my den. Wow, my den's so horrible. Oh, this is my other den for your info. I don't really care about dens, I care about... Okay, so this is my enchanted den. I don't think you can hear because people are sleeping in my house. I did some stuff in here. This is my clan room. Okay. I got some rid of those mats, I think. And this is my den. I need to fix some of this stuff. Okay, go back. People go into my den and I'm like locking my den. It's not funny. People like locking their dens and it's not funny. That's why I don't lock my den. Actually, it's going to be on my channel. Nope, this is my look. Okay, so maybe I can go to. I'm trying to figure out who I can go to say hi. Let me see. I think he's still on adventure. He would like to be adventure. I think he do. No thanks. I'm okay. I need to figure out what friends I should go to. Let's people. I don't think I should. I got 10 minutes left. You know. I remember startups. Okay, let's see what she has it. Oh, nice. Let's see. Okay, so I'm going to be doing my inventory. I don't really have any good stuff. Okay, so this is my outfit, including my Ninja Turtle, my fab hat, my mustache that was rare. Someone traded me a John Lee scarf, a worn, rare knight helmet, and a phantom hat for just one red worn. One. And I got my not really nice stuff. My designer skirt that I don't wear. Rare armor. I don't know where I got that. I think I got that for Rare Monday. My special rare fox hat, and I use this for my clan. This wind gold, whatever it is, and my bow and arrow bonnet. And this is I love that hat. Okay, that's inventory. What else should we do? Okay, I guess this is gonna be a gaming video. Okay. Computer's lagging really very much. Do you think I should turn on the music? Wait, I can't turn it up. I have to click. Okay, then this can be equal. Warning. I don't know how to play this game. Flappy Bird, really? Really, Jim? I'm really bad at Flappy Bird. I think my sister could get to level 90. I'm taking my nose, sister. Okay. I'm gonna try to put sky high, and I don't. Okay. I get mad. Take the path of the giant. Is that very high? I'm sorry, little Arctic Wolf. I really don't care about you. You're just pixels. Yay, pixels! Pope is my life. Let's play Twister. I've never played this game. Oh, it's a bird. I am not playing the Blizzard House games. No, I missed the little circle. I'm gonna go on the Twister. I'm gonna play Ring Around the Rosie. Yeah, don't mention anything. Okay, people. So, this is my last thing I want to updates. Forgotten Desert. The special crystals have been scattered across the Forgotten Desert, and only flying animals in Jumma can find them. The Forgotten Desert. Yeah. I wish I had an eagle. I really don't care about the animals. Head to the diamond shop to see the new pet hummingbird. An awesome flying pet that's returned to Jama. Well, personally, I really don't care. You had to pay for them the last time. Who cares? Dolores is not that. Visit Janice to click above to see fun new video feature. It's silly Okay, watch this. Ambush. Oh shit, little bunny. That wasn't very nice, but I see how to do. Okay, the new Den Portals. Introducing Den Portals, a fun new way to connect to your buddy's stick. Pick up a portal from the Den Portal shop in Moss Temple of Zeus. Place it in your den, then click on the link icon and choose which buddy den you want to link it to. Now you can visit your buddy straight from your den. There are lots of different colors and styles of your Den Portal to choose from, so you can pick the ones that match your buddies the best. But personally, I think that's very lazy. Everybody's lazy that plays Animal Jam, including me, because I just play it every day. Coming soon, the Summer Carnival. If you're watching this video here, people, don't trade people really rare stuff to get a raccoon tail, because they're just in the Summer Carnival. Okay, the wait is almost summer. The Summer Carnival is coming to Jama. So ready for the games and prizes and fun all summer long. I'll have a video off when it's there. Visit the Shiver Shop in the Cocoa Hut for super sale. Favorite winter gear is on sale for 50% off. Why am I clicking on it? Okay, that's it for Sudio. I guess we're going to the website. Bye guys.